me see. It's taking a long time because I had an interview to get a job. So yeah, I paused my live stream period to focusing on that interviews, and yeah, yesterday I completed. But in some maybe next week I'm gonna have a result. Well, hope I can get my first job because I'm currently just a student, a fourth-year student. Wow, I just only have maybe five more subjects to graduate from the university. It's great, yeah. Okay, let me see. Not this. I made a text, so I already published is on the GitHub, so you can download it. It's using the Firebase database, so it's not use of MySQL. It used Twilio's Firebase, and also what they call Resend. Yeah. I'm gonna make another videos for a demo for that website, web app. So just gotta be focusing on the goal. Let's get all tasks employees. Okay, let's save this into employee management. Wait, give it here. Okay, done. But at the first time, I'm gonna making a CRUD first based on account. Let's go. What the heck is Go Song? What the heck is this? I'm gonna using, yep, I use ChatGPT for generate those code because I'm just a beginner, so at the next time I will not use ChatGPT. I will try it. Yeah, I will try myself not to use ChatGPT for solving the problem. Just using my own internet search skills and more. Okay, accounts, repository and other ones. How many is a classroom API? This is good. What is delete an account and handle get all student me well, maybe I'm gonna delete the four student. Okay, no content. Yeah, no contents. It's delete completely because I returned no content, so it's just like that. Now let's having a app to a classroom. This will look good. This will better. So let me see. I got an account here. The first thing I will try is getting on this classroom. Okay, that's good. Getting on the classroom. Done. Place on the classroom with the page, the partitions. Oh, I'm using a lazy loading here. Well, we create a classroom. And see the body will get a well, the IDs maybe I gave it a the auto increment in the database. So I'm gonna need to select just delete list. Wait on time. Does it get an ID, right? Let's create another request for getting classroom details, maybe one. That's nice. Get classroom details, and this gonna be get all classrooms. Nice. Okay. Another APIs is how to add a classroom. I'm using host. Right. Go here. Let's try add classroom. Create. And here I'm making a create, and it's gonna need name total. Well, it is time I'm gonna ask the ChatGPT for this. This is controllers. This is GTO, DTOs, I'm making the MVCs models somehow. Well, I'm not really like using this have to test yeah. In the classroom, with the post times, the body, we're gonna use the wrong body. This body gonna need name. Well, I already have a class A, so I'm gonna use class B and the timetable. Oh, forgot. Yeah. No. Just post. Alright, nice. Create 31 milliseconds. Download synchronization. Okay, it's good. We're gonna need another APIs. And it's called updates APIs. So update a classroom. Yeah, I'm gonna updates gonna using put, right? Yes, I'm gonna using put for this update, handle update, and I'm gonna using the get, no, the put. put method. Oh, forgot. I also have the routers somewhere. The routers, but I do not see any routers here. Oh god. Damn. Timetable, lips, GTOs, and your update. Well, okay. Maybe update 4. I'm gonna give it a name called classes. Okay. But which good, yeah, which good. But it has something to do here. I got the HTTP request ID of int, and it's gonna get the request in GTO create client classroom, and it's gonna have JSON Unicode code. Okay, classroom get ID, and if not exist classroom return error. It's also got this also GTO and models, but I didn't see my router somewhere. Oh, I got the routing. Yeah, I got it out here. Let's see, which is good. Alright, I can try it. I can try this classroom with OS. Ooh. Okay. So, a big classroom not found. Wait a minute. It's got an idea for, but I updated the classroom into the classroom app. But I cannot try without. Yes. Page not found. Wait, what is that refresh token? Seriously? That was deleted. Yes. Ooh. Okay. I don't know how, but it's gonna be neat. We must have an S. Why is it here? I know. I have no idea. Okay. Another one is create a classroom. Delete a classroom. We're gonna need to delete this. And after I completed the CRUD for each models, I'm gonna try another advanced functions for this. Maybe get on a student of a classroom, or get on a schedule of that classroom, or somehow I'm gonna get on the students in the classroom with a specific day of birth. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna delete 4. Okay, nice. Now the classroom is okay. We're gonna need a mark table. So I will create a mark tables tco.go. This is for making package GTO and type create mark table struct. The mock tables have this, but import times, that doesn't make any sense. Oh, I don't need the create anymore. Just get it here and type max mark table respond. Mark table respond struct, and it's gonna return me on the value of this mark table is these. Yes. Okay. Nice. Now is another one. I call multi repository go. We gonna need to import it, but I will need a controller. Wait. Do I need a controller first, or wait a minute. Oh yeah, I would need a controller first. Wait on. Oh no. I would need the repository. It looks like a service we're doing with in JavaScript. Okay, nice. Just copy all this. MySQL mark table database repository struct, and using db or sql.db. And when complete this one, I'm gonna need to read this function called new MySQL _3. Yes, I'm gonna call new, but this one is gonna be great. And DB is a pointer of this, and getting a pointer MySQL database and return the values of that pointer. Let's take an example. If each function for add a values into database is gonna using an address to store that value, but the thing we need just the address. Because of this, we're gonna pointer. So I'm gonna use this icon, this sign for getting the value inside this pointer. Yeah. Now let's begin the function with the first times add the functions, and then classroom repository R my my SQL account. Oh, not table repository, but I'm gonna add. That's called add, and this now I call the mark table from models dot mark table and an error. Okay, if it's hat, so I'm gonna try to create a query. This query gonna have this one. Select just insert into table values. It's also got the create at, so create at average score rank and account ID. What's the values? Maybe engineer, yeah. Nice. And the result. Gonna be DB DB very accept with the where got the very forgot this one. Married and mark table dot create time dot now time dot now mark table dot name. Wait, hold on. I got a name for this. Average score. And rank count this. Mark table rank. Mark table dot account ID. Account ID is nice. Okay. And then I'll try if error to, it just means if it's not at completely into this function, this and ID of error, and then I'm gonna mark table dot ID equal ID. And then just return new ID streams. Excuse me, I can do this. Not long. Exact go, run, man, go. Oh my god. Nicely, dude. I got something to know. Okay. Motions. Nice, and maybe case study. No, this. What is this? Project, mock interview. Wait, what the heck? Where's all my functions? Document. Just using here. Well, only I can use on. I can use another one. Alright. Maybe this is not part of the document. I'm gonna say the application node. It's gonna call how to reload for Go using not mode. Yes, and just using this one. This is a code, but okay. Now I'm gonna create another function, and I will call it list. Yes, it's a list without needing somehow just getting through the functions. gonna need to set a query. I'm gonna give it a limit and an offset. And a limit and an offset for list of mock tree. Wait, defer. I remember that I saw a question about defer in Go. Use to ensure that the function call perform later in program execution. Usually purpose of cleanup defer is often used where ensure and finally would be used to the other language. Oh, it's mean when I create a rows of the query varies the length and the offset from the database and it reach behind this. It's gonna end this way. Use another. I'm gonna call defer. Sorry for getting your code.